MacDonald Had a Truck by Steve Goetz, illustrated by Kaban. Old MacDonald had a truck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had an excavator, E-I-E-I-O, with a dig here and a dig there, here dig, everywhere dig. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a front loader, E-I-E-I-Whoa, with a scoop here and a scoop there, here a scoop, there a scoop, everywhere scoop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a bulldozer, E-I-E-I-Mo, with a push here and a push there, here push there, push everywhere, push. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a motor grader, E-I-E-I-Ho, with a scrape rake here and a rake scrape there, here a scrape there, a rake everywhere, a rake, scrape rake. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a dump truck, E-I-E-I-O, with a dump thump here and a dump thump there, here a dump there, a thump everywhere, a dump thump. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a steamroller, E-I-E-I slow, with a squish smash here and a squish smash there, here a squish, there a smash, everywhere a squish smash. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cement mixer, E-I-E-I flow, with a spin whirl here and a spin whirl there, here a spin, there a whirl, ever a spin whirl. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a truck, E-I-E-I go. The end.